Welcome to the ultimate guide on joining Discord servers in 2024. Whether you're connecting with gaming squads, creative communities, or study groups, I'll walk you through this updated process in under a minute. First, grab your phone and locate the Discord app, that little white icon with the blue gamepad-like symbol. Tap to open it, and here's where the magic happens. Once you're in, look for the home button at the bottom of your screen. It's your gateway to all things Discord. Give it a quick tap, and you'll see your current servers listed on the left side. Now, here's the secret sauce. Spot that plus icon floating near the top of your server list. It's not just for decoration. Tap it, and a menu will slide up with options. Look for Join a Server in bold letters. This is your golden ticket to expanding your community circle. Got an invite link? Maybe a friend sent you a code like discord.gg/yourcommunity. Or you found one in a forum. Copy it, then head back to Discord. In the Join a Server field, press and hold to paste that link. Double check for typos. Those letters and numbers need to be perfect. Ready? Tap Join right below the link field. Discord will whisk you into the server instantly. You'll see channels popping up, maybe a welcome message, and suddenly, you're in. Pro tip. Some servers have special rules or verification steps, so keep an eye out for instructions in the number welcome or number rules channels. And that's it, 5 steps, no stress. Whether you're joining a private book club or a massive gaming hub, you're now equipped to hop into any Discord community. Share your new server adventures in the comments, and don't forget to like this guide if it helped you level up your Discord game. Until next time, happy chatting.